Hi, and welcome back to 4.2. And in this one, we're actually going to go and dive into those Google Sheets. So to start off with Google Sheets, the first thing you're going to want to do is to click on the waffle. And when you click on the waffle, you're going to go right here to Google Sheets. And then we're going to go and look for that new worksheet, which is right here. And take us to our choices of worksheets. Once you get into Google Sheets, what I'd like you to do is start setting up our sheet. So to do so, what we need to do first is we need to come over to the one, and you're going to want to double click on the one, or I'm sorry, right click on the one, and you want to come down to resize row, and we're going to make that a 30 and press enter. And then we're going to change the size of our font, and we're going to bring this all the way down to H. And we're going to change this to 30 as well, and press enter. And then we're going to go ahead and start typing in this section here. We're going to type in top 30 movies. I'm sorry, we're going to change that to 25. Top 25 movies. Now, once you have this in, what we're going to need to do is take this, and we're going to go and merge these cells down to G, and we're going to go ahead and hit merge. Now, you'll see how we can't really make out our top 25 movies anymore, so we need to come over here. And you need to line up right on that line. So you're going to see these lines going in between here. When you get right on top of that line, you get the arrows going up and down. And you have also that line. You can drag this down now and make it fit. Now we're going to take the top 25 movies. We're going to click in this cell like I am now. And we're going to center it the same way as we did before with docs and also with slides. We're also going to give this a color at the top, and we're going to make it yellow. Now we're going to come down here, and we're going to skip, go to cell 3, and we're going to type in the title movies. And we're going to come over to C3 and type in rating. I'm going to go and place the movies in here and allow you guys to copy those. And these will be the movies that we will be working with. Once you have your movies in, we're going to adjust these cells. So I want to highlight these cells down here and come down. And again, as I have said before, you can always pause this so you can get these names in. Now I want to change this font size, and I want to make it so it's a little bit larger. And we're going to make it 14. And we're also going to go, and once we have these names in, we have to make our cell A larger. So we're going to come and point here. And if you get your line like this, you should be able to double click, and it will then bring it out to the largest name, which is this one right here. Once you have this in, now we're ready to place in the ratings. When I place in the ratings, I also want to make sure that the font size is also going to be a size 14 and that the ratings are going to be here that I have below. The last thing I'm going to have you guys do is I want you to highlight these cells just like I have done here. And you're going to go all the way down to where it says Despicable Me. And you're going to go and put a border around all of the cells so it looks just like this. When you're done with this, the last thing you will need to do is to name the sheet. And we're going to name the sheet Top 25 Movies. So I'm just going to copy that and place it right in here. And then once you have that, go ahead and submit it.